Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of October, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $36.08 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, potentially marking the first sign of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend implies a possible decrease of around 20.88% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -56.20% to -17.19%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of approximately 39.90% over the next year, with a potential return between 14.63% and 202%. This translates to a price range of $39.51 to $104.10 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, High Volatility in SOXL ETF Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $34.47. The SOXL ETF price experienced a decrease of 15.56% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, falling from $40.82 to $34.47. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 22.44%, with a low of $33.64 and a high of $41.19. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 1.89% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume surged on the last day by 61 million shares, although this occurred alongside declining prices. This trend may signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 129 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price stands 50.81%, or $35.61, below the 52-week high, and 90.89%, or $343.77, below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Semiconductor stocks are on a significant upward trajectory, as evidenced by the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index, which has surged over 80% year-to-date. This remarkable growth has been driven by increasing demand for specialized chips that are essential in cloud computing and artificial intelligence technologies. Consequently, key players such as NVIDIA and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing have emerged as leaders in market capitalization. The momentum is expected to continue, especially as supply chain pressures ease, enabling manufacturers to keep pace with the soaring demand. Recent reports indicate a trend where hedge funds are actively accumulating technology stocks, anticipating interest rate cuts that could further boost semiconductor shares. In the realm of exchange-traded funds, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares, known as SOXL, is positioned for leverage during this bullish phase. However, it carries significant risks due to its high volatility. Technical analyses suggest that while SOXL is currently in a downtrend, bullish indicators are hinting at a potential rally. This possible upswing is particularly attractive for short-term traders, but it necessitates careful risk management due to the inherent volatility associated with leverage products. Investors should be aware that although the short-term outlook appears optimistic, the long-term prospects must take into account the high costs and daily rebalancing required by leveraged funds, which may erode potential gains over time. Therefore, while opportunities for short-term profit are present, long-term investors are advised to proceed cautiously in light of the rapid changes in the market. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are very few, if any, positive technical signals. The SOXL ETF is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $37.75 and $34.49. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 17.4%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 39 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 128 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also presents a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average reflects a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 50 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below its current level, with significant accumulated volume at $32.16 and $29.34. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this situation, SOXL has support at $32.16. If this level is broken, the next points of support based on accumulated volume will be at $29.34 and $27.89. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $7.55 between its high and low, representing a change of 22.44%. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility has been 8.89%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.96. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present a viable opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $32.16. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and we have not established a stop-loss limit. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL exhibits several negative indicators and is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a pessimistic view of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a sell suggestion since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of October, we expect SOXL to open at $1.96 and commence trading at $36.43. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.